Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Monday. The S&P 500 closed the day up 0.3%. The Dow increased by 0.2%. The Nasdaq 100 rose 0.7%. And the Russell 2000 ended the day 0.3% higher. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, 7 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher, with consumer discretionary, industrials, and tech on top. Utilities, healthcare, and consumer staples were the biggest losers. Looking at some stocks on the move, Union Pacific shares soared more than 10% today after announcing that its CEO, Lance Fritz, is stepping down. He's been under pressure from activist investors this year. The company's announcement came just hours after New York-based hedge fund SGEN Capital Partners published a letter arguing that Union Pacific has underperformed with Fritz at the helm. They want the company's former COO, Jim Vena, to become CEO, and said Union Pacific's stock price would double in 2 years if he was leading the company. Tesla shares closed about 5% higher after reports that production of its Model Y cars doubled at its Berlin gigafactory. The Model Y is Tesla's best-selling EV and became the most sold car in Europe in November. Production had to be sped up to reduce consumer waiting times and meet customer demand. Meanwhile, Tesla has an investor event on Wednesday, which analysts believe could actually move the stock lower. And Pfizer is ramping up for its next acquisition. The Wall Street Journal reports Pfizer is in talks to acquire Seagen for more than $30 billion. While Pfizer is flushed with cash and can afford the deal, it also needs this acquisition. Pfizer generated more than $22 billion in sales from COVID-19 vaccines and other products, but it expects to lose $17 billion in annual sales by 2030 due to patent expirations for top drugs and declining sales of its COVID-19 products. Pfizer shares closed down 2%, while Seagen rose more than 10%. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. On the economic calendar, the Case-Shiller Home Price Index, the FHFA House Price Index, Chicago PMI, and consumer confidence will be released. And it's a busy day for earnings again. Pre-market, we'll hear from Advance Auto Parts, AutoZone, JM Smucker, Norwegian Cruise Line, and Target. Post-market, AMC, HP, Rivian, and Ross stores are set to report. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to TDAmeritradenetwork.com.